Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all doing well. Halloween front yard decorations are of great importance as they serve multiple purposes and have a significant impact on the overall Halloween experience. First impression, your front yard is the first thing guests, trick-or-treaters, and passers-by see when they approach your home. Halloween decorations create an immediate and memorable first impression, setting the tone for the festivities. Neighborhood engagement. Elaborate front yard decorations can spark interest and engagement from neighbors and the local community. It encourages others to participate in the Halloween spirit, creating a festive atmosphere in the neighborhood. Festive spirit. Front yard decorations show your enthusiasm for the Halloween holiday, making it clear that your home is actively participating in the celebrations. It adds to the overall festive spirit of the season. Entertainment for others. Halloween front yard decorations can be a source of enjoyment for those passing by. Well-designed displays can captivate and entertain both children and adults. Enhancing the theme. If you have a specific theme for your Halloween party or decorations, the front yard is an ideal place to showcase it. It ties everything together and adds to the immersive experience for visitors. Here are some creative and spooky Halloween front yard decoration ideas to make your home stand out and create a hauntingly memorable experience for trick-or-treaters and visitors. Graveyard scene. Transform your front yard into a creepy graveyard with tombstones, skeletons emerging from the ground, and fog machines for an eerie atmosphere. Giant spider infestation. Create a giant spider invasion with oversized spider decorations crawling up the side of your house and in the trees. Haunted house entrance. Design your front porch or doorway to resemble a haunted house entrance with fake cobwebs, haunted door knockers, and creepy door decorations. Grim Reaper's welcome. Position a life-sized Grim Reaper figure near your front door, extending a skeletal hand in greeting. Witch's lair. Set up a witch's lair with a cauldron, broomsticks, and a life-sized witch figure. Add some potion bottles and spellbooks to complete the look. Jack-o'-lantern pathway. Line your walkway with a series of carved pumpkins or light up jack-o'-lanterns to guide visitors to your front door. Ghostly gathering. Hang white sheets or ghost-shaped decorations from trees and place ghostly figures throughout your front yard to create a haunting apparition scene. Zombie invasion. Create a zombie-infested zone with zombie silhouettes, hands reaching out from the ground, and eerie red lighting. Spooky Scarecrow family. Set up Scarecrow figures in your front yard, each with its own Halloween-themed persona. Example, Scarecrow Witch, Scarecrow Vampire. Pumpkin patch. Create a small pumpkin patch in your front yard with various sizes and shapes of pumpkins, hay bales, and cornstalks. Haunted tree. Wrap fake spider webs around the branches of a tree and hang ghostly figures or lanterns from the limbs. Ghastly glow. Illuminate your front yard with black lights or colored LED lights to create a haunting glow over your decorations. Sinister shadows. Use projected shadows to create spooky silhouettes on your house or garage door, such as a witch flying on a broomstick or a haunting figure. Monster mash. Bring classic monsters to life with larger-than-life monster figures like Frankenstein's monster, Dracula, and the Wolfman. I hope so guys you like this video. If you like, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.